Sometimes when we see a sari, we don't just see the fabric, right? We want to wear the sari. We want to look so pretty in the sari. And that's exactly what I felt when I saw this sari. And today I'm wearing it for you guys to show you guys. Look at the fabric and look at the colors of the sari. So beautiful with this unique, weave across the body of the sari and this pallu. And if you see these buttas, it comes with this beautiful flower design and again the same kind of weave as the pallu. And that's the magic of the sari, isn't it? When you wear it and you find the right one, you will look the best version of yourself. We have multiple variants in this sari. That means the base color would be the same. And when it comes to the design alone, the colors in the weave would be slightly different. And we will show each one in detail right now, the weave and the color. And if you like any of these saris and if you want to, and if you also feel the same way as I feel when I look at this sari, you can purchase this either through our WhatsApp number by sending a screenshot or by going to our website. These are the multiple different variants that I said earlier, right? We have multiple variants in this, as you can see. See, in this sari, the dominant color would be in the weave is the red color. In this, the dominant color is the maroon. Likewise, in some other variant, the dominant color is the baby pink. Likewise, more or less the base color is same and the weave is almost same and little different in the design, but the colors are exactly same. And these weaves, flowers will be slightly different. Based on that, you can wear that blouse. And I will show each one in detail right now. If you like this particular sari, you can take a screenshot of mine and send it to order. But if you like other colors, you can take a screenshot of these saris. See, this is the next color. Zoom into this flower. These would be the color combination. As you can see, maroon is little dominant. And then I'll show you the pallu part. See, pallu part is so rich weave actually. Very good. Completely maroon. And then here and there the pink and the baby pink and orange and yellow flowers. I'll show you the blouse design. Blouse also is very rich and beautiful, as you can see here. See this part. This part comes on the back side of the blouse, you see, and this part comes on the sleeve part of the blouse. Exactly like the pallu part itself, the design, but this checker pattern would come. It looks very beautiful, but if you like a solid color, if you want to dominate this maroon, then you can wear a separate blouse also of maroon color. You have seen one color, right? Similarly, the other colors also will have the blouse design. The design would be the same, but the colors will be different. So to know the color, we would be showing the pallu part of the remaining saris. Come close. This is the next sari. You can understand the color combination from this. If you like this color combination, take a screenshot of this and send to us. Therefore, we will send you the correct sari. This is the next color combination. Come close and show. Here in this, the red color is dominant. Take the screenshot if you like this particular color combination. And this also comes with a blouse of the same weave. This is the next color combination. Come and show here. Here the design is slightly again different and the stems are coming in the maroon color and the leaves are in the green color. If you like this sari, take a screenshot and send to our WhatsApp number. And this is the next color. See, the design is slightly different. You can take a screenshot and send to us if you like this particular design. And this is the next design. See, every design and weave is slightly different and the colors are also, the dominant colors also slightly different. But more or less, the feel of the sari is same. And next one. In this, the baby pink and the pink are dominant, as you can see. If you like this sari, take a screenshot of this particular sari and send to our WhatsApp number. This is the next one. In this, the star designs and the flowers, yellows are dominant, little green, You can pair the same blouse like we have shown earlier, or you can even pair a solid color. And next one is this. This is the next saree. Again, the maroon branches came. The flowers are slightly different from the 3 sarees ago you have seen, right? It is slightly different. So take a screenshot if you like this one. Baby pink lovers and pink lovers, this is perfect for you. This is the next color. And if you see, this one is slightly different from the others that you have seen. See, little more flowery. The other ones are little more branchy, but these have much more flowers. Again, the pink flowers, this will be a perfect for you. And the last piece, again, little more rich in terms of the flowers. Pink, blue and maroon is again dominant. This is the last piece in this set. If you like any of these sarees, like I said, take a screenshot of that particular saree and send to our WhatsApp number, and make sure that you take the correct color and send us a screenshot. Thank you. See you in the next video.